Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. From previous video we understand what is Google Hangout, and we had seen that Hangout has some drawback as a less number of participants are allowed for voice call and video call, and these drawbacks are overcome from the Google Meet. Okay, so today we will understand what is Google Meet and how to use of it. For this we have to download it from a Play Store. It's just 12 MB. Okay, now understand of Google Meet during it downloading. Okay, see, this application is very secure video conferencing. It is securely connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere. With Google Meet, everyone can safely create and join high quality video meeting up to 250 people. The free version of Google Meet is not quite the same experience that paying G Suite customers. Here's a quick breakdown of limitation as meetings are limited to 60 minutes for free users. Not that this won't be enforced until 30 September, which should be helpful in this age of social distancing. Don't know what will happen after the 30 September. It will be free or paid. Meeting is set up by free users, can only be attended by the people with Google account. Here some important features in a Google Meet as a host unlimited high definition video meeting. Video meeting are encrypted in transit and proactive anti-abuse measures which help keep your meeting safely. Easy access as a just share a link and invite guest can join with one click from Google Meet application, and it has also allowed to share screen to present document, slides and more. Okay, now here is a Google Meet is downloaded. Open it. It shows welcome to Meet. Tap on a continue. Now allow to take a picture and record, and also allow audio. Now it asks for on which Gmail ID that you have want to log in Google Meet. Okay, see here. Okay, I tap on it. I selected one of the account. Okay, on screen it shows a new meeting and a meeting code and a symbol of microphone and camera, right? And see here, topmost left side, three lines are there. It shows on which Gmail ID you have login. Now on top most right side, headphone symbol is there. Tap on it, and then it shows as a meeting will work on speaker or headphone. Then audio off and also cancel options are there. Okay, now see below. Swipe to see your meeting schedule. If you are schedule your meeting, then it will shows here. For this you have set the meeting schedule in a Google Calendar. Okay, now important features are create a new meeting and meeting code. In meeting code, if you have a meeting code, then you have to simply paste here and then join meeting. Now create a new meeting. Tap on it. It creates a meeting code or meeting URL. That code and URL you have to share to the students or people for join the meeting. Okay, we can share this meeting code via WhatsApp, mail, as a text message, etc. Okay, I send this code to the students for the meeting through a WhatsApp. Okay, now I select the student's name and send the code. Okay, send it. Now I will check the student's phone and that URL or code is received or not. Okay, then after we will join the meeting. Okay, here this is the student phone. Now check his WhatsApp. WhatsApp is open. Okay, now see here the code is received. Now tap on it. Is asking open with. I select Google Meet. It will be open. I tap on camera off, speaker. Okay, see here on a screen as a student name and code is there, and asking for the joining for the meeting. Okay, now I tap on ask to the join and it is send request to the host for the joining a meeting. Okay, request is sending to the host. Okay, see here, student's request is received to the host. Here two options are there. One is the deny and the second is admit. Okay, I tap on admit for the of the student's request. Okay, see here, the student's name is there and join a meeting. Now see here, first step shows the participant list who are attending a meeting. Next step is shows the chat board. Here host and participant can send a message and send to the everyone. And the next step is shows the meeting URL and code. Okay, now top of the screen shows the CC. This is nothing but a caption, means whatever host and a participant speaks, it will be shown on a screen. There are three dots on top of the screen. Simply tap on it. Here shows some features as a switch camera. In this which camera you have to use as a front camera or back camera. Now second is a turn on captions. Now next features is the most important features in a Google Meet is a presenter screen. I tap on it. Okay, it shows here as a start presenting. That means you share your screen. For this it shows the message as a people will see everything of your device including notifications, and simply I tap on it, start presenting. Okay, see here it will be start capturing everything display on your screen. Okay, that start now. I simply tap on it. Okay, see here just start the presenting. That means whatever host access, it will be shown to the students or participants who participant screen who are attending a meeting. See here, this is a student device is shown here on a screen. Whatever access by the host, it will be shown on a screen. See, host will be change his screen, it will be shown on a or reflected to the participants screen. Okay, now if I want to stop the presenting, simply I tap on a stop presenting. That means it's a stop the screen sharing to the meeting attended. Okay, if I want to stop a meeting, simply tap on a stop. Same way host and participants or students can exit from a meeting. Now here we understand the some difference between Google Hangouts and Google Meet. First one is a support for more participants in a call in a Google Meet. Real-time captions allowed in Google Meet but not available in Hangouts. Next one is a better screen sharing options as you entire screen window and a Chrome tab, and more layout choices in a Google Meet. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand what is Google Meet and how to use it, and also difference between Hangouts and Google Meet. From the next video, we will understand the Google Meet with a whiteboard. For this, subscribe our channel for this notification and do like and comments. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay home. Take care.